Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081. Today, let's explore the rigid handlebar muffs, a game changer for ATV, snowmobile, and motorcycle riders. Imagine your next ride without the annoyance of wind and debris battering your hands. That's the comfort our rigid handlebar muffs provide. Their hard shell design creates a wide gauntlet-style opening, giving your hands freedom to move while keeping them protected from fast-moving airborne debris. We heard riders complain about how heavy and cumbersome their muffs were, so our solution was to make the rigid inserts removable. This allows riders to easily fold up and pack the muffs in a saddlebag or tailbag along with the rest of their gear. Their minimalistic style appeals universally to both men and women. Speaking of their universal nature, I want to point out that these muffs fit all ATVs, quads, four-wheelers, snowmobiles, and motorcycles, whether you have mirrors or not. The muff's water-resistant and windproof exterior is a barrier against the elements and airborne debris that could hurt your hands or damage your handlebar controls. The durable exterior fabric withstands rain, snow, and gravel, guaranteeing many years of reliable use. Installation is a breeze. Just slide them over your handlebars. Tighten the drawstring, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. Now, moving on to the interior. Here, you'll enjoy an easy clean microfiber lining that feels plush and cozy against your hands. Why choose handlebar muffs over gloves? They allow for better grip and tactile feedback, leading to more precise handling. They also protect your handlebar buttons and switches from the elements, which could help prevent a costly repair. And let's be honest, compared to a pair of gloves, you're less likely to misplace them. In conclusion, the rigid handlebar muffs from Gears are an essential powersport accessory. With their combination of simplicity, protection, and unique removable hard shell, these muffs will enhance your ride. Remember, all Gears products come with an ironclad 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.